Hello again, welcome back. Another one from my Beer 52 case, and this is a Polish beer and it's Pierwsza Pomoc. Pronunciation, I've no idea. Pierwsza Pomoc. It's a Pilsner, a lager. I'm on my lager list now, thankfully, in this heat. So what does it say in the bottle? It's from it's a Polski Pils, Polish Pilsner. PINTA is the brewery, and original Polish craft beer revolutionaries. What does it say in here? PINTA Pierwsza Pomoc First Aid. What will you do without it? You don't have to be injured to use it. Just take it anytime you want, for breakfast, lunch or dinner. We used a lot of really good malts and the finest Polish hops. Our first aid beer will refresh you, feed you and make your humour great. We highly recommend it for everyday use. It's a 4.1% ABV and it's best before the 17th of November 2021. So it's quite a nice simple label. I like that. The bottle opening. So let's crack it open and see what it's like. It's lovely and cold. It's just straight out of the fridge. I'm looking to buy a new fridge, a larger fridge. Oh, it's darker than I thought it was going to be. I'm using my Beer 52 glass. This is too small. What size bottle is this? A 330ml. So it's not holding much that at all, is it? That glass. Yeah, it must be what, a 250ml glass, something like that. Anyway, let's work our way through the tasting sheet from craftbeer.com. The crown is just the name. There is a design on that, but I can't make it out. Colour, that's about a, what, a 6? Something like that. Let's have a look. It's a beautiful golden colour anyway, golden amber. It's clear, no visual carbonation, very little head to speak of. What is there is very soapy. So we'll say it's a 6, clarity is clear, colour of foam retention is none, foam texture thin, no visual carbonation. Aroma. Why do I think of Italy every time I say aroma? Malty. Well, there is some hops in there as well. Alcohol, aroma, it's mild, you can't tell it's there actually. The hops, there might be a bit floral going on there. It's very mild though. There's no spices or tropical or fruity or... The malt, that's what you're getting mostly. You're getting bready malts, lovely fresh crust. That's very nice, that. The esters, I'm not really getting any fruity smells at all from. It's hard to pin down that. I'm going to say banana, but maybe pear. A slight pear, but I think that might be my imagination. The alcohol, the flavour and aftertaste. Cheers, my dears. Oh yeah, that's very good. Taste doesn't last long. well, you're starting to develop now. It's maltiness. That's really nice. Slight carbonation, and then let's go through that though. The alcohol is really not detectable to mild. The hop flavour, I'm not really getting anything. I'm going to say none. The hop bitterness is restrained. The malt flavour is that bready. The malt sweetness is fairly low. Palate astringency is low. The body is quite drying. The palate carbonation is quite low. It's not a lot. A wee bit, and then it releases all the flavours. So nice that. Low. I'm going to say the length is medium, up to 60 seconds. Balance and drinkability desirable, style appropriate. What does Untapped have to say about it? So it's Pierwsza Pomoc. The brewery is Browar PINTA. It's a Pilsner. 6,437 check-ins with an average score of 3.21. And it's a microbrewery in Wieprz, Wojciechowski. My Polish accent is probably, any Polish viewers is probably cringing at that. Anyway, the style guide, Pilsner other, light hoppy, dry, it's no hoppy, dry, smooth, full. I don't know where people get their things from. No many people leave descriptions on Untapped. Anyway, did I say the average score is 3.21? I think it's higher than that. What will I give it out of 10? I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. That is a very nice, refreshing, crisp beer. Lovely malty flavours. Pleasant aroma, pleasant taste. Yeah, that's really nice. I could drink that. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I've seen it. So, it's a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears. Oh yeah. Very good. Oh, I've got some left.